Hey Cubing Gang, it's your boss the Speedcuber. Welcome back to another video. Here is the unboxing as well as my first impressions about the Meilong 3M. Let's start off by taking a quick look at the box and the cube's accessories. So the box is very similar to the standard non-magnetic Meilong box, but it is textured. The cube comes with MoYu accessories box and a MoYu stand. Now let's move on to the cube. The Meilong M series has new stickerless shades. The plastic is more frosted than the non-magnetic Meilongs, which make this cube a little bit slippery, but for me that is okay. In fact, I really like the texture of the plastic. Out of the box, the cube was very fast. It is very light to turn and it feels dry, airy. Due to the speed of this cube, the magnet feels very weak. Out of the box, the tensions were very nice. So, the corner cutting and reverse corner cutting was great. Now let's talk about the problems that I encountered with this cube. The cube has a loud spring noise, which is not nice. So I recommend lubing the springs if you want to buy this cube, or just ignore it. And although I like the frosted plastic, sometimes it slips to my hand. But for me, the main problem of this cube is its speed. On my first solve of this cube, I always overshoot, especially on my last layer. I remember myself DNFing a solve because I overshoot on the A-perm. Here is what it looks like. So those are the problems I encounter with this cube. Those are only minor problems and you can easily fix them. Now let's discuss the good qualities of this cube and why you should buy this. This cube is very nice out of the box. I really like its feel, its performance, and the strength of the magnet. They are in weak to moderate side. I really recommend this cube. If you are looking for your first magnetic cube, then this one is the way to go. Or if you want a good performing cube that will not make you break the bank, then this is the perfect choice. You will definitely enjoy this cube more if you are like me who turns accurately and lightly. You may not like this cube because of its frosted plastic, but I believe eventually it will fade like the original Meilong. I watched many positive reviews about this cube. Some YouTubers main this cube because in their opinion it is better than their gun cubes, while some YouTubers didn't main this cube but they really recommend it. I think this cube is becoming more and more popular because of its cheapness and its good performance. So these are my first impressions about the Meilong 3M. This is not the full review yet. I will definitely make a review of this cube because again it is very popular and I really like this cube, but I will not going to be biased. In case you are wondering what this cube sounds like, here it is. Here are the tensions. I didn't mess up the tensions, it is still factory tensions because it is very good out of the box. And corner cutting, reverse corner cutting, I almost forgot. So that's all I want to say. Thank you all for watching. Join the Cubing Gang by subscribing to my channel. Again, it's your boss the Speedcuber. See you all next time. Keep safe guys. The next video is going to be my first impressions about the Meilong, the MS 3x3. Spoiler alert, it is more exciting than the Meilong.